Okay, yeah, we got it. Yeah. Hey everybody, it's Byron and Carrie. We are doing an episode of Another Reason to Live Here, and the reason you've got to move to Lewisburg, West Virginia is because of our bowling alley.
Yes.
It's a great bowling alley. Everyone comes there during the winter. You meet up with people. It's warm because it does get cold here, and we'll let Carrie just kind of describe a bit of it to you.
Yeah, so a bowling alley is a bowling alley, right?
It is.
Ours is colorful and fun. There are how many lanes, Byron?
There are 24 lanes.
24 lanes. So
You rent them by the hour.
yes.
I think it's $30 an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can rent them. There's also have the pull-up bumpers for those who need a little extra bowling help.
Yeah.
You can rent them by the hour. It's very popular for birthday parties.
Mm-hmm.
I've attended quite a few birthday parties there. And they also have leagues and the nighttime fun cosmic bowling.
Yes, which is a blast. It's all dark. They got the lights going. They got cool music. If I could stay up that late, I would do it, but I can't do it anymore.
Yes. They also have an arcade with pool tables there. And tell us about food, Byron.
Food,
Because you know
okay.
food everywhere we go.
Well, if you're bowling, you have the option of a bunch of traditional foods. They got Perky's Pizza, which is excellent. They got chicken fingers, all the normal stuff you'd want. But behind the bowling alley, which is still connected, they have a bar called Spare Time, and the food there is really good, I think. It's a great place to go watch games, WVU games. A lot of people go there for those games. There's TVs in every corner. You can see everything. You'll bump into people. It's a great time. And yeah, this is a valuable thing for our community to have this place, especially in the wintertime, because it does get cold and it's very warm in there. So
Perfect.
yeah. Anything else?
Come.
Yeah.
We'll bowl with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give us a call. Take care, guys.